Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how do you manage or stop LinkedIn email notifications. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. So my email box was looking like this. Every single day, I was getting so many email notifications from LinkedIn. I got sick and tired of this. So this is how you can manage these notifications. You can control, you can pick and choose, or you can completely turn these off. So what you want to do is, let's go to LinkedIn. Here I am logged into my LinkedIn account, Ali Mirza. And what you want to do is click on your face right here. And then we are going to go inside settings and privacy, because that's where all the notification options are. And then let me resize this window. You are gonna look for communication, so which is this section right here. So let's click on communications and then notifications by channel. So these are the notifications that you get on LinkedIn, on the web app or the mobile app, or also these are the notifications you get on email. And this is what was bothering me. So I'm gonna go right inside this email channel and look at this. So I have turned almost everything off. So, and for you, when you go there the first time, you may see everything turned off. So what you want to do is just click on this. And by the way, you can pick and choose. So for example, let's say you do not want to turn everything to off. You can kind of go through this one by one and then pick what you want to do. So you can set everything off as far as the conversations is concerned, or maybe let's say maybe you want to get an email notification for InMail. So in that case, you can turn that off, or turn it to recommended or weekly digest. In my case, I wanted everything off, so I just clicked on this easy button right here, and that turned off all the notifications to my email channel regarding conversations, right? So let's go back, and then same thing about the enterprise products, jobs, network. Almost everything I turned off, and this is how I was able to kind of do digital detox and get less emails from LinkedIn. And one other thing I want to quickly mention, let's go back here, and that's if you want to kind of manage your notification on the LinkedIn web or app, you can go inside here. I have kept everything on for now, but you can also disable these and get less notifications on your linkedin.com and also the mobile app. So this is how I was able to reduce the emails I was getting from LinkedIn. If you have any questions, leave those questions in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.